नमामि शारदां देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं नमस्कारकरस्तुम्मि प्रसन्नास्तु स सदा. With part 9 of trigonometry, and we are already started with the problem set 6 and MCQs. That is the first question we have finished. Now we are on the second question. If sine theta is equal to 11 upon 61, find the value of cos theta. But they have given, I told you there are two methods. One method is by drawing a figure, and we have studied 9th standard. But here they have given that you use identity. उसके बगैर मत solve करो. You cannot use that method. But when they are not mentioning this, then we can draw the figure. इसलिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं? We draw this type of figure. It is theta. This one is theta. Sin theta is 11 upon 61. Then we apply Pythagoras theorem. हमें वो तीसरी साइड में जाती है. And cos theta will be 60 upon 61. That we had studied last time. आगे भी हम लोग k, that is a constant, वो भी करना पड़ेगा. But here we cannot use that method because they are not asked to do with this method. They are asked to do by using identity only. Okay, so now we are going to do solution. What they are given to you? Given sin theta is equal to 11 upon 61, and what to find? We are going to find out cos theta, but they have asked to use by using identity. So what we are going to do is we are going to write solution. Now we have to check. I told you that we have to draw the table. अभी मैंने draw नहीं किया because अभी आप लोगों को used to होना पड़ेगा उसके लिए. तो the relation showing between the sin and cos theta, the formula is, as we know, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And we are going to find out the value of cos square theta. The cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. And cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin theta is nothing but 11 upon 60 the whole square. We can write it given. So cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 11 square. I think you all of you know it. It is 121. 61 का तो इस वक्त तो में नहीं आएगा. We are going to multiply 61. That is 3721. So we are going to write 1 over here. So if I cross multiply it, because यहाँ पे साइन नेगेटिव है, तो आपको डिनोमिनेटर सेम करना पड़ेगा. इसके लिए क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, तो 1 into 3721 minus 121 into 1 upon 1 into 3721. So we are getting cos square theta is equal to 3721 minus 121 upon 3721. So what you got is cos square theta is equal to 3600 upon 3721. And you are going to write taking square root. So what you got? We got cos theta is equal to under root 3600 upon 3721. So we got the value. Cos theta is equal to 60 by 61. This is the method by using. This is the identity or formula. Is it right? So मैंने solve किया by using identity. Now it is easy question. If you know the identity, then it is easy. Copy down it properly. Now see the third question. If tan theta is equal to 2, find the values of other trigonometric ratios. Means we have to find out remaining 5 trigonometric ratios like sine, cos, tan, cosec और sec निकालना है. Okay, sine, cos, cosec, sec और cot निकालना है. Is it right? So for this we can draw the figure because they are not mentioned by using trigonometric identities, but I like to do the trigonometric identities only. तो तुम लोगों को ये अच्छा नहीं लगा तो we can go by that method. Solution. What is given? given is tan theta is equal to 2. And what to find? Other trigonometric ratios. So what we are going to do is we are going to write solution. अब सबसे पहला तो tan थीटा है. tan से इजीली कौन सा रेशियो निकल सकता है? So we are having one formula, tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. So by using that formula, we can use it. By using that identity, we can easily find out. So as tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Therefore, what I can write is 2 square plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Here we give the reason as what given. That will be better. So 2 square is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Or I can write 5 is equal to sec square theta. Or sec square theta is equal to 5. Taking square root. Sec theta is equal to root 5. It cannot be minus root 5 because ये ratios negative नहीं होते हैं. Is it right? Got it now? So we got sec theta. अब sec theta मिला तो मुझे लगता है उसका दुश्मन cos theta तो मिल ही जाएगा. तो as we can write cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. अब cos theta का वैल्यू है root 5 into sec theta is equal to 1. Means what you got is sec theta is equal to 1 upon root 5. ये वैल्यू मिल गई. Sorry, it is cos theta. So I made a mistake. It is cos theta into root 5. If you want to write, you can write from 1. This I will put as equation number 2. Once you got the cos theta, then we can easily find out sin theta, because as we can write sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we have to find out sin square theta, sin theta मतलब हो जाएगा 1 minus cos square theta. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus, this is nothing but 1 upon root 5 the whole square. We can write from 3, and therefore sin square theta is equal to 1 minus 1 ka square is 1, 5 ka square is root 5 ka square is 5. If I cross multiply it, what I'll get? 1 into 5 minus 1 into 1 upon 1 into 5. So sin square theta is equal to 5 minus 1 upon 5, or sin square theta is equal to 4 upon 5. So what I can do is we can write taking square root, I'll get sin theta is equal to 4 upon 5, or sin theta is equal to 2 by root 5. Now just see what we got. We got sin theta, we got cos theta, we got sec theta. Now this I can write it as what? Equation number 3. अब मेरे लिए cosec बहुत easy है. As we can write again, sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Sin theta का वैल्यू है 2 by root 5 into cosec theta is equal to 1. We can write from 3. So what you got? Cosec theta is equal to root 5 by, and last value we have to find out is cot. tan तो था हमारे पास. So now as we can write cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta, हमारे पास फॉर्मूला है, या फिर we can use that formula also, which one, as tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So tan is 2 into cot theta is equal to 1, or cot theta is equal to 1 upon 2. So we got all the values, all remaining ratios. So we can write answer form. Answer, sin theta is equal to 2 by root 5. Then cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 5. Then tan we know, cot theta we got 2. Then cosec theta we got root 5 by 2. And sec theta is equal to root 5. These are the answers. Okay. So please, students, do one thing. I think you understood. You have to apply the formula, appropriate identities, and you have to solve the question. So please put there for sign with good handwriting. You are going to copy down it properly. Now, cos theta is equal to 1 into 12 upon 13. So what I got, cos theta is equal to 12 upon 13. ये भी easily हो गया, cos theta we got. So as we know, we got the value of, we are having the value of sec theta and अभी मिल गया cos theta. So we can easily find out sin theta if you want. We can go for it, as which ratio is showing the relation between sin and cos, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, as we know this formula, sin square. But at this moment you can say that हम लोग sec theta plus 1 और tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta use कर सकते हैं. Yes, definitely get tan theta. So not required कि जैसे मैंने किया आपको करना है. You can apply your appropriate formula, you get the answer. So I want to find out value of sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus 12 upon 13 the whole square. So what are you getting now? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus 144 upon 169. If I cross multiply it, what I'll get? Sin square theta is equal to 1 into 169 minus 144 into 1 upon 1 into 169. That you have to cross multiply. So what I get? Sin square theta is equal to 169 minus 144 upon 169. So sin square theta is equal to 952 upon 169. What you are going to write is taking square root. What I get? Sin theta is equal to 25 by 169. So sin theta will be 5 upon 13. Once you got that, so now it is easy for me to find out the. We got sin, we got cos, we have got sec. Now what we can do is, as sin theta into cos sec theta is equal to 1. अगर sin मालूम है तो cos sec बहुत इसका रेसिप्रोकल रहेगा. तो 5 upon 13 into cos sec theta is equal to 1. So we are getting cos sec theta is equal to 13 upon 5. We can write as what? Here we can write from 1. Here we can write from, this is equation number 2. Here we can write from 2. Okay, so we got cos sec theta. Once you got cos sec theta, next will be as, अब देखो tan theta निकालना बहुत इजी है, because tan theta is equal, other you can apply the formula tan square theta plus 1 is equal to, but why to apply? We are having this formula sin theta upon cos theta. तो tan थीटा, sin थीटा का वैल्यू कितना है आपका 5/13, cos थीटा का वैल्यू कितना है 12/13, 13 got cancel from 1 and 2. So what you got now? Tan theta is equal to 5/12. Now we got tan theta. We can easily find out the value of cot theta. Either you can apply cos upon sin, or you can do as we know. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Tan is 5/12 into cot theta is equal to 1. So what you got? Cot theta is equal to 12/5. So cot theta is equal to 12/5. You got all the ratios. So we can write as an answer. Once answer is sin theta is nothing but 5/13. Cos theta is 12/13. Then we got tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but 5/12. We got cot theta is equal to 12/5. And last one is cosec theta is equal to 13/5. That we are going to put in a box and copy down it properly. Now, fifth question, prove the following. ये टाइप के क्वेश्चन हमने एक्सरसाइज पार्ट में किए थे. There are total 10 questions are there, but इस पार्ट 9 में हम लोग पहले 5 questions कंप्लीट करेंगे. Then we continue with the next questions. Now, prove that. We know that we have to prove that this is the left hand side is equal to right hand side. You have to prove. So, what is that? First question is sec theta 1 minus sin theta into sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 मुझे प्रूव करना है. क्या प्रूव करना है? Is equal to 1. So it is easy question. आराम से हो जाएगा. Okay. Now this is there. Okay. तो proof. We have to prove this is equal to 1. So we are going to take left hand side. That is nothing but sec theta 1 minus sin theta into sec theta plus tan theta is equal to. What we can do is, first of all, we'll multiply these two. So what I am getting is sec theta into 1 is sec theta minus sec theta into sin theta हो जाएगा. और सेकेंड पार्ट को हम लोग ऐसे लिख देते हैं sec theta प्लस tan theta. अगर हमने इसको प्रॉपरली देखा, यहाँ देखो sec theta, यहाँ भी sec theta है. So we'll see that what is going to happen. Here I'll write sec theta only. I'm not going to change it. Usually हम लोग चेंज करते हैं, 1/cos theta लेते हैं. बट यहाँ हम लोग खाली इस sec theta को चेंज कर रहे हैं. That we are going to write as 1/cos theta into sin theta. That is sec theta plus tan theta. I have not changed this value because here it is a sec theta, तो उसको sec theta ही रहने दो. यहाँ पे हम लोग रीजन लिखेंगे since sec theta is equal to 1/cos theta. So therefore in first bracket is sec theta और यहां मल्टीप्लाई किया तो मालूम पड़ता है इट इज sin theta upon cos theta into sec theta plus tan theta. Now just check it. Sin theta upon cos theta आ गया. So what is there? Sec theta minus sin theta upon cos theta is nothing but tan theta. And here it is sec theta plus tan theta. So, since what I can write? Sin theta upon cos theta is equal to this we can write down also. Since sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. Now, here it is sec theta minus tan theta, sec theta plus tan theta. This becomes a minus b into a plus b is nothing but sec square theta minus tan square theta. और आप लोग प्रॉपरली ध्यान दोगे तब मालूम पड़ता है कि sec square theta minus tan square theta बन जाता है 1. इसका रीजन हम लोग लिखेंगे 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. तो ये tan square theta को यहां लेके जाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा 1. So we got the answer. What is that? Therefore sec theta 1 minus sin theta into sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1. This we have proved. Okay, hence proved करके खत्म कर दो इसको. I will repeat it once again. See what they are given to you. Sec theta is equal to 1 minus sec theta in bracket 1 minus sin theta sec theta plus tan theta. We have to prove it is equal to 1. So I have written left hand side and I have multiplied. Sec theta into 1 is sec theta. Sec theta into sin theta is equal to a plus minus sec theta into sin theta, sin theta into sec theta into sin theta. And this bracket I have written as it is. अब मैंने इसको चेंज नहीं किया because I supposed to change into 1 upon cos, but मैंने देखा कि यहाँ sec theta है, so do not change it. I have written it, but I have changed this value as 1 upon cos theta into sin theta sec theta. But luckily मुझे क्या मिला sin theta. This if you multiply numerator denominator get multiply 1 into sin theta cos theta into 1 is cos theta only. But sin theta upon cos theta मिला tan theta. यहाँ sec theta minus tan theta है, sec theta plus tan theta, a plus b into a minus b के फॉर्म में, that is sec square theta minus tan square theta. But sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 because we are having one formula. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Please write it properly. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So ultimately sec square theta minus 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This is what 1. So sec theta in bracket 1 minus sin theta sec theta tan theta is equal to 1. This is the answer we are going to write. This is the first question. And what is the second question? Sec theta plus tan theta is into 1 minus sec sin theta is equal to cos theta. We have to prove. So proof, we are going to write sec theta plus tan theta 1 minus sin theta is equal to. हमारा ध्यान इधर होना चाहिए. What we are going to prove. तो cos theta है ना, तो हमें sin theta की जरूरत पड़ेगी. But we don't want these two because sec theta और tan theta के साथ कोई relations नहीं है. So what we are going to do, instead of sec theta, I am going to write 1 upon cos theta. और इसको भी चेंज कर देते हैं, tan theta को क्या रहेगा? sin theta upon cos theta. और ये तो चेंज हो, ये तो ऐसे रहने दो 1 minus sin theta. यहाँ पे खाली रीजन लिखना है sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta and tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So therefore यहां देखो दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो I will write once only. Okay, I'll write it down. I'll write what? Once, that is cos theta. और यहां लिख देते हैं 1 plus sin theta और दूसरे ब्रैकेट में आएगा 1 minus sin theta. But इसका डिनोमिनेटर कुछ नहीं था, I'll write it as 1. Now if I multiply this, then what will happen? 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta into 1. But it is 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta is nothing but 1 square minus sin square theta upon cos theta. So that is nothing but 1 minus sin square theta upon cos square theta. But we know that 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but, I made a mistake, that's cos theta. So 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but cos square theta upon cos theta. Here we are going to write the reason 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. यहाँ cos theta और ये cancel हो रहा है. So we can write the answer. We got cos theta, right? That is equal to cos theta. So we are going to write the expression once again. That is nothing but sec theta plus tan theta into 1 minus sin theta is equal to cos theta. You put in the box and write hence proved. Okay. So again, it is very easy question. Got it? See once again. What is the question? Sec theta plus tan theta into 1 minus sin theta is equal to cos theta हमें प्रूव करना है. तो cos theta रहेगा तो यूजुअली sin theta को चेंज मत करो. You change sin sec theta, cos sec theta, cot tan सबको चेंज कर सकते हैं. Sec theta की जगह क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग? 1 upon cos, tan की जगह पे sin upon cos into 1. What you got? Now denominator is same. तो cos theta एक ही बार लिखेंगे. It will become 1 plus sin theta. It is 1 minus sin. When you multiply it, numerator get multiplied, denominator get multiplied. So 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta into 1. So what you got? 1 into it is a square minus b square के फॉर्म में आ गया. तो 1 square minus sin square theta. But 1 square का कितना होता है? 1 minus sin 1 square 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but cos square theta upon cos theta. We got cos theta. So sec theta plus tan theta 1 minus sin theta is equal to cos theta. This is hence proved. Copy down it. See the third question. Sec square theta plus cos sec square theta is equal to sec square theta into cos sec square theta. तो उसको लिए वापस वही प्रूफ. sec square theta plus cos sec square theta. क्वेश्चन यही है, खाली आप प्लस साइन या इनटू साइन है. बट देयर इज नो सच रिलेशन बिटवीन sec theta एंड cos sec square theta. या अगर हमने उसको tan में किया, इसमें cot में किया, तो भी कुछ हमें आ नहीं रहा है. तो बेटर में यू कन्वर्ट इनटू sin and cos. Instead of sec square theta, what I can write is I can write 1 upon cos square theta. Or instead of cosec square theta, I can write 1 upon sin square theta. या रीजन लिखना है तुम लोग को. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta and cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Now, in these two, there is a plus sign, denominator is different. We are going to cross multiply 1 into sin square theta plus 1 into cos square theta upon cos square theta into sin square theta. So 1 into sin square theta is nothing but sin square theta plus cos square theta upon cos square theta into sin square theta. अब तुम्हारे दिमाग में यही आ जाएगा, sin square theta plus cos square theta का फॉर्मूला है, that is nothing but 1 that is equal to cos square theta and sin square theta. या रीजन क्या लिखेंगे? Since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now, what we can do is, ये नहीं आया हमें ये चाहिए ना sec square theta, तो we'll separate it. जो हमने पहले किया था वापस वही फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है. देखो 1 upon cosec क्या होता है? sec. तो 1 upon cosec square theta is nothing but sec square theta और 1 upon sin square theta आएगा cosec square theta. रीजन लिखेंगे हम लोग. Since 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta and 1 upon sin theta is equal to cosec theta. So we got that answer. Therefore, what I can write? Sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to sec square theta into cosec square theta. This you are going to put in a box and you have to write hence proved. Okay, so that's easy question. Copy down it. Fourth question is cot square theta minus tan square theta is equal to cos sec square theta minus sec square theta. कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को तो पहले से आइडिया आ रहेगा कि कुछ बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है ये. ओके, सो हाउ विल आई डू इट द सेम. cot square theta minus tan square theta. लेकिन हमारा ध्यान राइट हैंड साइड की तरफ होना चाहिए. तो आई थिंक यू नो दैट cot square theta और cosec square theta का फॉर्मूला है हमारे पास. What are that? 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. मतलब cot square theta बन जाएगा cosec square theta minus 1 माइनस और tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. तो tan square theta will become sec square theta minus 1. आपको उसके रीजंस लिखने पड़ेंगे. What is the reason? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Now, once you have written that, अब मैं ब्रैकेट सॉल्व कर रहा हूं. cosec square theta minus 1 यहाँ प्लस साइन है तो अंदर के साइन चेंज नहीं होंगे, बट your minus sign is there means you are going to change the sign of inner term like this. या प्लस का माइनस होगा, माइनस का प्लस होगा, या -1 है प्लस 1 है तो दिस गेट कैंसिल एंड व्हाट इज लेफ्ट विद यू नाउ? दैट इज cosec square theta minus sec square theta. Yeah, that is the answer. So cot square theta plus tan square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus sec square theta. This is your final answer. You are going to add hence. Cover down it properly. Trigonometric कुछ questions तो 2-3 step में खत्म हो जाते हैं. This is one of the question. If you know the formula, it is easy. Now this is the fifth question. Fifth question is tan raised to 4 theta plus tan square theta. We are going to prove that sec raised to 4 theta minus sec square theta. वापस tan और sec के बीच में फॉर्मूला है, we can make use of it. और ये भी फैंटास्टिक क्वेश्चन है. प्रूफ इजी क्वेश्चन है. tan raised to 4 theta plus tan square theta is equal to, हमारे पास फॉर्मूला tan स्क्वायर के लिए tan raised to 4 के लिए नहीं है, बट अमॉन्ग दिस वी कैन टेक tan स्क्वायर थीटा कॉमन. अगर मैंने कॉमन लिया 10 raised to 4 थीटा है तो अंदर रह जाएगा tan स्क्वायर थीटा. ये ऑलरेडी बाहर गया तो इट बिकम 1. इज इट राइट? जैसे आप लोग देखोगे इट इज 1, I can write tan square theta is equal to, instead of tan square theta plus 1, I write sec square theta. So here I am going to write tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Now अब जो अभी tan square theta आया कि नहीं, but we want sec square theta. So instead of tan square theta, this is the formula, tan square theta plus 1 is sec square theta. मतलब tan theta क्या होगा? Sec square theta minus 1. Here we can write sec square theta minus 1 into sec square theta. Same formula we had used, but if you want to write in this way, once again if you want to write the reason with proof that tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1, that will also do. Now if I multiply once again sec square theta into this, I'll get sec raised to 4 theta minus sec square theta. So we got the answer. Therefore, I can write tan raised to 4 theta plus tan square theta is equal to sec raised to 4 theta minus sec square theta. That we are going to put in a box and we are going to write hence proved. Okay, cover down it properly. So students, we are going to stop it here for the part 9, and I think we have proved this all the questions. If any question if you find it difficult, एक बार वापस रिवाइंड करके अच्छी तरह से देख लो. and I think it is easy, but this type of questions required a practice. तो आप लोगों को इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस या जो क्वेश्चंस टेक्स्ट बुक में दिया है इज दैट वी हैव टू प्रैक्टिस 2 टाइम 3 टाइम, बिना देखे प्रैक्टिस करोगे इट विल बिकम लाइक अ चेस. और these are the very important question for trigonometry. हम लोग हायर स्टडीज के लिए जाएंगे तो ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस करेंगे, but at 10th standard level it is not very high, so they are easy questions, but anyhow we have to practice it. So we are going to stop it here only. Thank you students, copy it properly.